Good morning, everybody. It is 7:44. I'm starting this late because my mic went dead and you'd have to read my lips to understand what I was saying. So we'll go ahead and get started. Anywhere from the northern and central Great Basin to the northern plains, you can see that we have heat advisories and heat warnings, especially around Salt Lake City and Billings. You guys are in extreme heat warning as of right now. We do have a couple red flag warnings up around Spokane and Medford in Oregon and Washington. Other than that, guys, we have a heat advisory from Tulsa all the way to going to Little Rock in Arkansas, and we have a dense fog advisory from Kearney to Omaha, Nebraska. If we get here on the East Coast, we're talking from Jacksonville, North Carolina, all the way down to Florida. You guys are under a heat advisory. What I want you guys to look at is anywhere from Springfield, Missouri, all the way up into southern Ohio, going down to around Knoxville, Kentucky, Nashville, Cape Girardeau. All of us right here in this area are under a flash flood watch. We do have flash flood warnings, which will probably expire here in a little bit. I would say around 8:15 from Perryville to Marion in Kentucky, to include Goreville, Vienna, Anna area. So some of these will expire here in a little bit, and it looks like 8:15. As far as that, guys, we've had some catastrophic flooding from Steelville, Missouri to Annapolis. A lot of these campgrounds that are on the creek beds were flooded out. But other than that, that's what's going on. As far as your showers and thunderstorms in and around Quincy, Pittsfield area in Illinois, you got some thunder showers. We get here to the southwestern part of Missouri, which we have reports of 60-mile-an-hour winds. But Mountain Grove and West Plains area, looks like in and around Annapolis again, they don't need any more rain. They have some thunderstorms coming through there as well. If we get down in here to Tennessee, anywhere from Clarksville, looks like to Crossville, down here, you guys have some thunderstorms. And we have a few spotty showers elsewhere to the south, east of Nashville, Hartsville area. This line of storms going from West Virginia all the way down to Asheville, North Carolina, is packing a little bit of a punch too, with 40-mile-an-hour winds as these lines come through. But that is what's currently going on in and around our area. I think northern part of Randolph County and around Marissa is where we have some thunder showers currently. So let's go ahead and get to our current weather and our temps and our SPC outlook. So right now we got overcast clouds, temperatures at 71. That feels like 73 with 6-mile-an-hour winds, and humidity is at 95%. As far as your cloud cover, guys, it's going to be mostly cloudy today, and then it's going to be mostly sunny tomorrow. This is your 18-hour outlook as far as your cloud cover. Your rain cover, if I can get it to go again, right there. We will have some spotty showers in the area today, and we'll take a better look at that on the model. As far as that, guys, we are going to get to our temps for our area in Randolph County. Our today's high is going to be around 81 to 82 with your lows in and around 68 and 69 for Saturday. Tomorrow, Sunday, it looks like your high is going to be around 86 to 89 with your lows around 66 to 68. So let's go ahead and get to our SPC outlook real quick for today. So right there, they have changed this quite drastically, guys, for Saturday. All right. Yeah, they've changed it just a little bit. We are not in a slight risk anymore. We were, so this has just changed. So we have a slight risk in and around the Tucson area for today. And our slight risk will be anywhere from Tulsa, Oklahoma to Myrtle Beach in this yellow area. That'd be a 2 out of 5. We are in a marginal risk as far as Randolph County, going from Washington all the way down to about Tampa, Florida for today. As far as that, your tornado risk, guys, and I don't know if it's changed. I think we'll be on the low end, but it shows around the southern part of Randolph County, Cape Girardeau, Evansville, Indiana, and just north of Nashville, Tennessee. That's probably subject to change throughout the day. As far as that, your wind risk is going to be from Tulsa all the way to Myrtle Beach is your 15% wind risk, and in and around Tucson, you also will be in the 15% tornado risk. Anything in the brown will be a 5%. As far as that, your hail risk, we're looking like Tucson and anywhere from Oklahoma City to Memphis. You guys will be in the 5% as far as your hail risk for tomorrow. Looks like the only slight risk we will have will be in Charlotte, North Carolina, Charleston, South Carolina, Augustus, Columbia. All you guys will be in that 2 out of 5 as far as your slight risk for severe weather. Your marginal risk will be from Lubbock, Texas, all the way to Georgia and North Carolina and South Carolina area. As far as that, your tornado risk, guys, will be up here in northern Wisconsin and northern Michigan. Our wind risk, we will have that 15% in the Charlotte to Charleston area to include Columbia, but your 5% will be from Lubbock, Texas, all the way to this area of Jacksonville, Florida, and Charlotte, North Carolina. That'll be your 5% as far as your wind risk. We will have the 5% in around Tucson and Phoenix, and plus up there in northern Wisconsin and Michigan. As far as your hail risk, it'll be concentrated in that same severe area from Atlanta, Charlotte to Charleston and Columbia, and over here in the northern part of Wisconsin and northern Michigan. But that is what we are looking at as far as your SPC outlook. We will get to the model real quick and see when these storms will be coming through. And I'll put this on a start here. A lot of these storms will be probably the afternoon to early evening time. So this is about 5 a.m. We're going to move this forward. We're talking maybe around 3 or 4 o'clock. We'll have some showers come through the area, and we'll have spotty showers. I think the severe part will be concentrated after it passes Randolph County, and it gets into Tennessee and Kentucky and Little Rock, Arkansas area. But this is later on in the afternoon. This is about 8 or 9 p.m. in the evening time. And this is when all this severe weather will pop through here. But that is your current weather and your SPC outlook. I think will be pretty decent. Even though they have us in the 2% tornado risk, I think that's going to change. We'll be on the low end, if anything, guys. These storms that have come through, surface temperatures are going to be warm today in that area of the slight risk. And the MLK will be around 2,000 to 3,000 joules, which is the energy that it needs to get these storms going. With the shear, a 6-kilometer shear around 20 to 30 knots. So any of these storms that develop these multi-cells could produce severe wind gusts. So just keep your radar and your alert systems on, and we will check back out a little bit later on, and I'll post something if something changes, because as we know in the last couple of days, things can change, especially the tornado risk. I really think it's on the low end as far as us, but when these lines come through Evansville, and it looks like through Kentucky, Murray, Kentucky, and Jacksonville, Tennessee, and Little Rock, I think that will be where the most potential for severe wind gust threats and localized tornadoes. But other than that, that's all I got, and I will see you guys tomorrow.